I'll guide you through how to sell ebook on Gumroad. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to gumrod.com. Click Login at the top right corner of the screen, then enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click the Products button, then select New Product. Enter the name of your ebook, choose ebook as the product type, set your price, and click Next. Now it's time to customize your product page. Write a compelling description explaining what your ebook offers. Upload a cover image and thumbnail. Set your call to action button, and write a short summary if they buy your ebook. Under Details, you can add more information about the book's content, such as pages, etc., and adjust your pricing options. In the Settings tab, you can even limit the number of sales or connect your custom domain if you have one. Once everything is complete, click Save and Continue. Upload your ebook file, and finally, hit Publish. And that's it. Your ebook is now live and ready to sell on Gumroad. Good luck!